In this problem, we're to solve this application where the height of a triangle is 5 feet longer than the base of the triangle. If the area of the triangle is 18 square feet, what are the base and height of the triangle? So what we might want to do is to draw a triangle where we're saying that the height of the triangle is 5 feet longer than the base. Well, we don't know anything about the base, so let's let that be x. And then the height, we would say, would be x plus 5. Now remember that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So in this case, since the area is 18, so that'd be 18 is equal to 1/2 times your base, which was x, times your height, which is x plus 5. Now to solve this equation, one thing we could do is to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So if we do that, this would give us 36 equals to x times x plus 5. And now we want to distribute that x because we want to get rid of the parentheses, so there'll be on the right hand side x squared plus 5x equals to 36. And when you're solving this type of equation, it's best to get 0 on one side, everything else onto the other side. So let's subtract that 36 from both sides. So we get 0 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 36. And since the leading coefficient is 1 for this quadratic, then we know that this will factor to the product of two binomials where the leading terms will be x. And the product of the two constants will be negative 36. Their sum will be 5. So since the product is negative, we know one's positive, one's negative. Since their sum is 5, we know that their larger term is the positive one. So let's see, so it could be negative 1, 36, negative 2, 18, negative 3, and 12, or negative 4 and 9. And of course it was the last one that was the correct pair because the sum of those two values would be 5. So this factors to x minus 4 times x plus 5, or x plus 9. Now we have this factored and we have the product of two binomials is equal to 0. So by the zero product property, that either one of the factors has to equal to 0. So either the x minus 4 is 0 or the x plus 9 is 0. So solving for each x in each equation, for the first equation we'd add 4 to both sides, so we get x equals to 4. For the second equation we subtract 9 from both sides, so we get x equals to negative 9. Now since x represents the base of the triangle, it cannot be a negative value, so we could discard that solution. So this is telling us x is equal to 4. So the base is 4, and the height, which is 5 feet longer than the base, would be 9. So we'd say the base is 4, and let's see, in this case it's feet for the units, and the height is 9 feet.